This was supposed to be a very special feast. No boy.
What is up guys? Nagbabalik na naman tayo sa Resident Evil 7. So ngayon, ito na ang part 2. So, hindi ko kayang magtagal sa mga hindi ko kaya patagalin yung recordings natin, kaya hinahati-hati natin siya into hindi ko lang alam kung hanggang ilang minutes kapag inedit. Pero, we're back! Yan. So, yung nangyari sa episode 1 is, nakita na natin si Mia, and tumawag din sa atin si Zoe, which sabi niya may daanan daw dito sa atin. Nakakuha din ako ng fuse, pero hindi ko alam kung saan siya ilalagay. Nakalimutan ko, kaya kailangan ko hanapin yun. Ang weird naman ng shadow ko. Okay. Di ba yung nabasagin? Hindi. Uy, gagi. Ayun, pwede. O, diba? Panis. Okay. Okay. Wag lang biglang susulpot sa atin si Mia kasi magdadabog ako. For sure ayun, ito. Yan. Okay, so saan na tayo? Siguro aakyat tayo ulit. Oh my god. Nagulat ako.
I know you didn't mean to hurt me. You shouldn't have done that!
Grabe.
It fucking hurts!
Oh shit. Ano to?
Now, let's see what you feel.
Sheesh! Pinutol yung kamay natin. Grabe.
It's not just must contain outbreak. Gonna quit, I promise. Must burn it all down.
Oh my god. Pwede natin yung kunin? Yes, pwede natin siyang kunin. Oh my god, paano tayo lalaban yan? Wala tayong kamay. Okay. Oof! Okay, ito na yung attic. Akala ko yan yung attic, yung baba na yan. Ito pala. So, ngayon pa lang tayo nasa attic. So, may daanan daw dito, sabi ni Zoe. Gagong creepy ng mannequin na yan. Uy, yan, first aid. Uy, handgun. Ang angas, may baril na tayo. Okay, so, mag-heal muna tayo. Oh, shit! Sarap. Sarap sa kamay. Okay. Barilin kita. Creepy naman yung mga mannequin na yan. Pwede ba tayo, wait, tab ata yun. Ayan, tab. Paano ko ito mapipindot? Anong key kailangan kong gawin? 1. Numbers. Okay. Ngayon mo lang sinabi eh. Niloko mo ba ako? Na-figure out ko na eh. Oh shit, Mia ba yan? Paano napadpad dyan? Oh no! Oh no! Stop! Bro! Stop! Crazy! I am badly hurt.
I have to do this.
Oh no, wala akong aim. Wala akong tutok. Oh my god. Talo tayo. May talo na tayo. Gago, wala akong tutok. Ano yun? Isa pa. Tutok. Deserve. Anak ka.
It all has to come down.
Oh my god, wala na tayong bala. Oh my god, wala na tayong bala.
They're relying on me. Everyone.
Hindi tayo pwede.
Everyone.
First aid, first aid. Okay. Shield, shield. I love you too, I guess. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Paano ko lalabas? Dito? Okay, so may amo na tayo ulit. Saan tayo lalabas?
Welcome to the family, son.
Oof! Aray! Okay, so kinidnap tayo, inabduct tayo.
Come on. Don't you die on us now. You have work to do.
Tangina, stapler lang yung kamay ko. Okay, here we go.
Where?
Oh my god, ang
am I?
sarap ng mga kinakain nila.
What the hell?
Nagutom ako bigla ah.
sleepyhead. It's time for supper.
Who are all you people? Where's Mia?
Sarap.
Eat it. It's good.
Dumb son bitch wasn't no good if it hit him.
Yes.
Get out the way.
Not again. So, ginawa na nila dati. Don't tell me ni stapler lang din siya.
He got to have his supper. Come here, boy. Let's do this.
Shit, oh shit, oh shit. He's not eating it, Jack. He's not eating it.
Get the hell up, Marguerite.
Nathan, for him.
Get the hell out of here.
You're a son of a bitch. Oh, I can't believe it. You son of a bitch. He's not eating it. He's not eating it.
This was supposed to be a very special feast. No, boy.
Ah, shit! Don't tell me, tatanggalan ako ng ngipin.
God damn it. I bet it's that cop again.
Goddamn pigs. I'm coming back for you.
Swerte mo naman, Ethan. Oh my god. Hi, Lola. Okay. Okay, so how do I get out? Okay. Sarado natin yung pintuan, syempre. So, wala na tayong gamit. See? Wala na tayong gamit. Kailangan natin kumuha ng panibagong gamit na naman. Ano to? Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Don't tell me, hindi niya dapat tayo makikita. Okay. Anong kailangan natin gamitin? I have no idea. Dapat tayo kumuha ng tinidor? Oh my god!
Thought you'd just slip out before dinner was done?
Alice! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Nagulat ako! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
You're wasting your time.
Ang inan! Oh my god! Takbo! Dito ba? Dito nga. Stop chasing me, bro! You creep! Ah! Shit! Nauli tayo! No! Nakakatakot naman tong matanda. Oh shit! No! Stop it! Ang ina nito.
You're part of the family now.
I am not. I don't want to. Hindi nyo ka tinanong sa permission ko. Uy, gagi. Herb. Parsan yun. Okay. Close, close, close. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get wrecked, bro. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh.
God damn! How am I gonna replace this?
Faster, bro. Faster. Okay. So, may nakuha tayong herb. Hindi ko lang alam para saan yan. Okay. A plant containing nutrients that help to heal wounds. Consume to recover a small amount of health. Okay. Paano ko siya gagawing aid? I do not know. Bubuksan ba to? So, nakatakas na tayo sa matanda na yun. Di ko lang alam kung anong gagawin dito. I guess, dire-diretso lang tayo. May nakuha tayong coin. Maganda ba yan? Hindi ko alam. Baka kailangan natin siya sa susunod. Kailangan natin nakuha, di ba? Kasi kailangan natin siya for sure. Paano ko aakyat? Ayun, dire-diretso lang pala. Okay, so mag-save tayo dito. Ay, mag-save ko na ba? Okay. Yan. So kapag... Paano ko ulit mag-open ng map? Nakalimutan ko na paano. Ay, tab. Ay, ito, combine. Yan, may na tayo. May pang-heal na tayo. So, I guess, gamitin na ba natin siya? Uy! Lagay lang muna na... Hindi, kailangan siguro natin yung herb. Hindi ako sure kung saan natin kailangan yung coin. Kaya ilagay na lang muna natin yung coin. Yan. Okay na yan. Tapos ayusin na lang natin to. Yan. They really stink. Thank you. Medyas ko yan eh. Ay. Mas may lockpick tayo. Gamitin ko na ba yung ano ko? Wag muna, no? Saan yung phone? Di ko alam kung nasan yung phone.
You did good, Ethan.
Zoe, right? What the fuck are these?
Shut up and listen if you want to stay alive.
Shut
You gotta
up.
get out of that house. There might be a way out through the main hall.
All right.
Oh, and that thing on your wrist is a codex. Don't lose it. It's important.
Okay. Grabe, apakasasi naman ito.
Hell of
Napaka-savage.
a girl.
Hello, fa girl. Ano to? Okay. Pag may narinig kayo, chan ko yun. Ito. Okay. So, kulang siya ng katawan ng horse. So, kailangan natin kumuha ng katawan ng horse. You don't know him, but, ano? But you get the feeling he's an asshole. It's the crazy husband and wife from before. Ah, sila yung dalawang ano. Ito yung babae na nagpapakain, tas ito yung lalaki na ano. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako makakahanap ng horse. Evelyn. Sige lang ba tayo dyan? Or, baka meron pa tayong mga ilalock, ganon, gamit yung lockpick. I mean, i-open, hindi ilalock. Okay.
Hey! Hey, over here!
Hey, you gotta help me.
Hold on, back up.
Wait lang. May epal. Yan. No! Gagi! Wait, close.
So,
Muntikan pa natin ma-restart.
your property?
What? Me? No. No.
Yan.
All right. Now, we got several calls about some missing persons lately.
You don't understand. I gotta get out of here.
Calm down.
You're not listening to me. There are crazy people in this house trying to fucking kill me.
Well, all right. Let me tell you this. You don't exactly seem like you playing with a full deck yourself, all right?
Are you kidding me?
Look, like I said, we've had several missing persons calls. And I can't rule out that an outsider like yourself may not be involved.
All right. I'll tell you whatever you want.
All right. Now, that's more like it. Now, meet me in the garage. We'll talk there.
Hey, wait. You gotta give me your gun.
You must have lost your mind.
Look, officer.
Deputy.
Right. Deputy. Now, do you want to see my name in the obituaries? Or do you want to be a hero and save my life?
Pocket knife.
A fucking pocket knife?
Here. Take it. That's all you gonna get.
Take it or leave it.
Now go. Garage. Now.
Yeah, may knife na tayo.
What am I gonna do with a knife?
Okay. You know! Pwede mo natin saksakin si Lolo gamit to. Yan, dito natin gagamitin ang ating pocket knife. Oof! Akala ko yun lang yung garage. Ang laki pala
Tell
nun.
me what you doing out here alone in the middle of the night.
Me? What about you?
No, it's my job. Won't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
You're not gonna believe me if I told you.
Try me.
Hey, put that throw back. Put that throw back.
Oh, shit! Oh, oh my god, gagi! Kita yung utak niya, gagi!
Fuck. I'm gonna kill everyone.
Oh, shit! Okay.
Where in the hell you think you're going to, son?
Okay. So, immune siya. Oh, oh, shit! Pwede natin gamitin yung kotse. Oh my god! No! So, oh shit. So, palayuin muna natin siya bago tayo sumakay.
Himself a gun. You know how to use that?
Yan, try natin. Hindi pala, labasin ka lang niya eh. Ang kaotik naman, ang hirap naman sumakay ng sasakyan. Bro, stop!
What's the matter, son? You out of ammo?
Atak ano ba ako? Hindi ko alam eh. Naku. Go, 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 go!
You think you gonna hurt me?
No! Oh my god! Ang hirap naman sumakay sa sasakyan! Napakaya pa naman na itong matanda na to.
I'm a busy man. You know? Nice car. Mind if I take you for a spin?
Oh no, don't tell me siya sasakay sa sasakyan. Oh shit! Oh my god, no! Let me! No, no, no! Ako dapat eh! Wait, sakay tayo sa kabila.
Better start running.
Oh no! Oh no! Paano to? Hindi ko alam ano to gagawin. Dito na tayo. Kunin na yan.
Fuck it. I'm gonna kill everyone in here.
Ikutin muna natin siya dito.
I told you. Don't you fuck with me.
Oh, we need a car key. Okay.
What's the matter, son? You out of
No,
ammo?
I still have my pocket knife. Go, go, go. Sakay, 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 sakay. Sakay, bilis. Deserve. Saan na siya? nasa likod ko siya.
Oh, shit! Nice car, Ethan. Fuck! Let's finish this, you and I.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah! I'm gonna take you for a ride.
No!
Oof! Yagi, buti nakayuko siya. Kailan ka pa nakaupo? Ba't boy ka pa? Ba't gumagalaw pa yung mukha niya?
Oh, boy! Now look what you done, motherfucker!
You did that to yourself, you know?
You know?
Yan, masunog ka na lang. Mamatay ka na, king ina ka. Nagsayang pa tayo ng bala, grabe. Anyways, edi ito na lang. Pwede mag-couch dito daw. Sige. Okay. Ayan, aakyat nga pa. Oh my God.
Do I have your attention, boy? You're about to see something wonderful. Oh, fuck!
Ano ba tayo na? Mamatay ka na lang. Boy, ka pa niyan. Buti na lang, may isa pa akong... Kala ko mababawasan amo ko. Set ng tiyan ko, guys. Masakit daw pag walang tiyan, sabi ko. Uy, ayun na. Ay, ito. Give it to me. Nice. So, check muna natin dito kung meron pa tayong makukuha. Shotgun? Shotgun ba yun? Oh my God. Tatalunin mo yan. Bagal niya naman umahon. I am safe for now. Since hindi pa natin alam kung nasan yung mechanic. Ay, F. Laki naman ng bahay na to. Sarado mo yan. Sarado mo din yan. Para lang makakapasok. Shoot me, shoot me. Sakto na lang ito. Sakto ah.
Did my daddy give you a hard time?
That's your father?
He used to be.
I'm
What do
sorry,
you mean
but
he used to be?
he's dead now.
You just might be able to pull this off.
What? Pull what off?
There's something I need you to do, but I can't explain it right now. You may need some sort of keys to do it, but find a way out of the house.
Okay.
I'll be in touch.
Okay. So, kailangan natin out of the house. And napansin ko, kailangan natin ng 3 ulo. 2. Wait lang. Mag-combine na din tayo. Yan. Yan. Okay na siguro yan. Gagi, Scorpion. Sign ko yan, no? Okay. Okay. So kailangan may hawak siya para mabuksan yung pintuan. So, for sure may hanapin tayo, syempre given naman yun. Ang kasama ng ano, architecturing tsaka oo, yun. Bala kayo dyan. Evelyn, May 2, 2014. Nakita din natin yung boots niya kanina. Evelyn. Uy, si Lola. Hello. Maybe it's daddy's hobby. Okay, sila lang nagsarado ng pintuan para sa atin. Thank you. Natakot ako sa mannequin. Sa statue. Hindi ko alam.
Your manners, my friend, in her face.
Yan, para sa'yo. Wala pa rin ako mahanap na, ayun, saving button ba yan? Mia. Siyempre, papanoorin natin yan. Si Mia yan eh. Ethan, please watch this.
Ethan, if you find this, I know I can't expect anything from you. Not after what happened. After what I did. But I just want you to know that wasn't me. I don't know what happened. There's so much that you need to know.
There you are! You gave us quite a scare, young lady.
Oh no.
Can't let her catch me again.
Okay, so ako yung gumagalaw ngayon kay Mia. Look. So, oh. Hi. Mommy? Ako ba? Ako ba, mommy mo? Imposible, hindi tayo magkamukha.
I am sick and tired of being sick and
Oh my god.
of your
Oh my god. Oh my god! Bro!
back to your room right now!
I failed! Wala pa rin ako makitang, save button. So, once na makakita tayo ng save button, doon ko na i-end yung episode. So, dito.
I am sick and tired of being sick and tired of your bullshit.
I need to hide. I need to hide.
Why are you putting me through this? What have I done to deserve this except open my home and feed you? I don't understand you at all. This is a gift.
Go, Mia, go. Go, Mia, go. Go, Mia, go.
This house has seen more than you can imagine. And it knows
Oh my god, where am I supposed to hide?
just this. Or is it that you just don't care?
Am I supposed to hide here?
I know you and Zoe are plotting. I know you were scheming. Think I don't know what you want to do with that boy, Ethan?
Ako ba yun?
No, don't come over here.
Go the other way. Oh no, mahuli ata tayo dito. Mahuli tayo dito.
I'll feed you to my babies and fertilize the garden with what was left.
Agad ang creepy niya.
We open our home. We open our hearts. And what do you do?
Saan na siya? Am I safe now? Okay. Oof. Oh my god, puzzle. Okay. Tama naman ah. Lagi baka bumalik si Mami. Kailangan ba saktong-sakto? Ayun. Kailangan pala natin pindutin yung okay. Bobo ka naman. Okay, uncrouch. Go. Go, 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 go. Buti hindi nahuhuli si Ethan habang pinapanood yung mga video.
She wants us to be a family, goddammit.
Oh my god. Oh my god, patay na naman tayo. Napakiapang na ng babae na to.
Get back to your room right now!
Ano ba yan? Ang hirap naman ito.
She loves you. She wants us to be a family, goddammit. You! All you have to do is accept her fucking gift! We love you! Why can't you see that? Embrace us! There are known unknowns here, and you are not paying fucking attention! You think little Evie's gonna put up with your shit forever, bitch?
Nakatakot to.
I am through playing games with you! You hear me? You hear me? You hear me?
Just go away! Okay.
No! You don't
Calm down, Mia. Oh my god.
Where do you think you're going?
Ethan, please help me. Ethan, help me.
Oh my god. Grabe yun!
What did they do to you, Mia?
I don't know. I have no idea, bro. Okay, so... Ano pang mahanap natin di... Oh. Okay, walang kwenta. Yes! Oh my god. Ano ba pwede natin gawin sa gunpowder? Tsaka chemical fluid. Okay. Okay, may herb na rin tayo. Dito ba tayo galing or... Nope, hindi tayo galing dito. Okay. Diyan tayo galing, di ba? Ito na, umikot na tayo. Anong pwedeng gamitin dyan? Hindi ko alam. Nandito lang tayo ulit. Okay. Try lang natin buksan yung pinto kasi baka mamaya habulin na naman tayo. Okay. There we go. Bawal dyan. Na-explore na ba natin to? Agila. Ay! Dito ba galing si Mia? Or kailangan natin bumalik? Okay. Mag-ingat tayo para hindi natin mapindot ulit yung heal natin kasi kailangan natin yan. So. Yan lang din yan, di ba? Baka may daanan pa dito. Teka lang guys, natatai ako. Wait lang. BRB.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
I'm back. Sorry. So, no! Lagi kaya napipindot. Anyways. Nanggaling na ako dito, diba? Ah! Baka dito natin ilalagay yung ano. Gagi. You know. Okay. So, tingin-tingin para muna tayo saglit. At diba, dito na ako makiat. Baka may something dito. Yan, mag-save muna tayo. Yan. Tapos, i-end na muna natin ng series dito. So, thank you sa panonood ng video na ito. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Mag-suggest na kayo kung ano gusto nyo pang laruin ko. And, ayan. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!